In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully log out of your Canva account. This might sound straightforward, but it's always handy to have a step-by-step guide to follow, especially if you are navigating a website that's frequently updating its interface. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on the home page of Canva. This is essentially your dashboard, the main hub where you start all your projects. If you've been working on a design, just click the Canva icon at the top left corner to head back to the home page. Now look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon nestled there. This is your go-to spot for accessing your account settings and managing your profile preferences. Once you identify your profile icon, give it a click. Doing so will prompt a list of options to display. Among these various items, what you're looking for is the option to log out. Depending on the device or version you are using, it might either say log out of all accounts or simply log out. Either way, these options serve the same function, disconnecting your current session on this device. For those who happen to use Canva on multiple devices, such as a personal laptop and a work computer, opting to log out of all accounts can help ensure you're signed out everywhere, adding an extra layer of security. After selecting the appropriate logout option, and that's it, you're done. You've successfully logged out of Canva. This helps safeguard your designs and prevents unauthorized access, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. If you plan to log back in soon after, remember to keep your login credentials handy. And there you have it. Just a couple of quick clicks and you've efficiently logged yourself out. This simple process can save you a lot of headaches later on, especially in terms of account safety and security. Logging out regularly, particularly from shared devices, is an invaluable habit in our increasingly digital world. I hope you found this straightforward guide helpful and that it makes your experience with Canva as smooth and trouble-free as possible. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of your digital space and stay creative.